The first Beyblade video on the channel. Nice. Alright, let's do this. Light it! First Beyblade video ever. I wonder how this is gonna go. Istros versus Hyrus. Hyrus? I don't know how it's... Okay, 2-0. Let's see if Istros can make an epic comeback on Hyrus, the ultimate stamina type. Okay. Light smash attacks. Not really doing anything. And another burst finish, of course. Come on, Istros, I'm rooting for you. Don't do this to me. Don't let me down like this. Please. For me, can you like score a point? Just a point. Alright. Round 3! Alright. Dang, I launched that good. Istros, there should be no... Yeah. About that. Yeah, I'll call that a draw. Hey, that Nintendo Switch case is actually working pretty well holding it down. Yeah. Round 4. That was a pretty sloppy launch, but whatever. Okay. Let it through! Come on, Istros, please. What's the point? Make this interesting. Not one-sided. No! No! No way. No way. No. Okay, whatever. So, in conclusion, Istros is not boss, and Lightning X Hyrus is boss. Get a good picture of you, about to catch you in 4K, boy. So yeah, the winner is X Hyrus, Lightning X. Wait, no, it's not Lightning X, that's Istros. Rookie mistake. I'm still getting into Burst anyway. So, the winner, Poison X, Hyrus. Istros, you let me down. You let me down. No.